Welcome to a short tutorial on how to import documents in iQ-WEB RIS. As front desk staff, I want to import documents, for example referral letters or consent forms, to document a paper-based workflow. For doing this task, I will go to Schedule tab, then Calendar tab, and find a calendar entry. Right-click in the appointment and press Open Patient folder. The Patient folder opens. Go to Documents tab and press +New button. Press Import button and select a JPEG document. Review the name of the document and press the Save button. The document is stored. Press the eye icon in the Actions column. The document is displayed. Now to import PDF document, I will press +New button. Then press Import button and select a PDF document. Review the name of the document and press the Save button. The document is stored. Press the eye icon in the Actions column. The document is displayed. Thank you for your attention.